This tool cart is made of solid steel with black coated. Steady construction ensures its long-term durability. It equipped 2 drawers for storing varieties of tools, sliding top for more tools storage and space saving, bottom tray for bigger tools. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 4 flexible casters. 360-degree wheels with 2 brakes make it easy to move. Number 2. Safety lock. The top drawer features a safety lock to prevent the drawer from sliding out. Number 3. Non-slip pad. The drawer comes with a non-slip pad that can protect your tools. Number 4. Portable side handle. Not only gives you a comfortable grip but also helps you push and pull the tool cart. Number 5. Flexible casters and portable handle. It has 2 lockable universal casters and 2 fixed casters to be easily carried from one place to another. A handle can be assembled on the left or right. Number 6. 350 pounds weight capacity. Its total load capacity is about 350 pounds. Overall size: 31 inches length by 15 inches width by 34 inches height, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.